subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The OnePlus manufactures top-notch smartphones, but all its devices lack a feature found in all the competitors, that is, waterproofing. The IP67 or 6.8 capabilities were missing on all the phones until the OnePlus 5T, but according to the company, the upcoming OnePlus 6 will finally be safe from the natural elements like water and especially rainwater. The other features and specifications of the OnePlus 6 will have a 3.5mm audio jack and a notch on the top of the phone that can be further hidden by a toggle in the menu. We also know earlier that the device will have a Snapdragon 845 chipset and a 256GB variant. According to the press leak, the OnePlus 6 will have a 6.28-inch AMOLED display, 3450 mAh battery and a dual 20+16 megapixel camera setup. The official pricing and availability will be revealed at the time of official launch of the device. So, what do you guys think of the OnePlus 6 so far? Do let us know in the comment section below. And as always, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share. And for more tech updates, subscribe to our channel TechSole Blog. Thank you and see you guys in the next one.